not running out of time. Time is running away from you. In 1912, a coal miner named Thomas was trapped deep underground. He had no food, no light, and only one small bottle of water. He survived for 9 days by doing one terrifying thing. He measured his life not by days, but by the breath. Every time he took a breath, he told himself, "I own this moment." Now let me ask you a dark question that touches your very soul. If your life depended on the next 5 minutes, would you spend them the way you are living right now? Look at your hands. As you watch the screen, a silent robbery is happening. Every tick of the clock is a drop of blood leaving your future self, and you are just standing there, letting it bleed out. You tell yourself you are tired. You tell yourself you will start tomorrow, but you are just a prisoner of your own comfort, watching others conquer empires while you struggle to scroll past another video. Elon Musk looks at the exact same 24 hours you have, but instead of surviving them, he conquers them. Imagine a world where a single day feels like a month of raw progress. A man managing spaceships, electric empires, and artificial brains, all while you struggle to scroll past another video. How? He does not use a calendar. He uses a scalpel. He slices his life into tiny 5-minute war zones. This is the truth behind his 5-minute rule, a psychological machine that destroys laziness forever. Most people who try it break within the first hour. Let's see if you survive. Why are you still stuck? You buy the books. You watch the motivational videos. You scream at yourself to focus. Yet, at the end of every week, your hands are empty. Why? Because your mind is a lazy animal. It follows a hidden law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. If you give yourself a whole afternoon to clean your room or write a script, your brain will take the whole afternoon. It will invite distractions. It will invite social media. If you give your mind space to breathe, it will go to sleep. Elon Musk discovered this demon early in his life. He realized that the traditional 8-hour workday is a lie. It is a trap built for average people. When you give yourself an hour to reply to emails, you waste 45 minutes looking out the window. You think you're working, but you're just killing time. And while you kill time, time is quietly burying your dreams. So, what is the secret? It is called extreme time blocking. Musk takes his entire day, from the second his eyes open to the second they close, and locks it into strict 5-minute cages. Eating a meal, 5 minutes. Checking $1 million rocket engine, 5 minutes. A massive business meeting, 5 minutes. Think about the psychological pressure. When your clock counts down from 300 seconds, you have no time to hesitate. You have no time to check your notifications. You have no time to doubt yourself. Your survival instinct kicks in, and your brain enters a state of absolute focus. You stop being a spectator, and you become a titan. A mind that can control time this way is rare. If you are the kind of person who wants to master this level of mental discipline, press the subscribe button right now. Leave a like on this video to tell the algorithm that you belong to the 1% who chase greatness, not comfort. Now, let's return to the battlefield. By trapping his mind in a 5-minute cage, Musk turns time from an enemy into a slave. He doesn't wait for inspiration, he commands it. How do you use this weapon without breaking your mind? You do not start with your whole day. That will destroy you. You start with just 1 hour. Tomorrow, choose 1 hour of your day. Call it monk mode. Divide that single hour into 12 5-minute blocks. Give a very specific task to each block. 5 minutes to read 1 page. 5 minutes to clean your desk. 5 minutes to outline 1 idea. When that hour begins, start a timer. Do not look away. Do not slow down. If you fail 1 block, you do not stop. You aggressively attack the next one. The lesson here is not about working until you collapse. It is about respect. The great leaders of the world do not respect money. They respect moments. They know that an empire is not built with years. It is built with seconds. If you can control 5 minutes of your life with absolute discipline, you can control your destiny. But if you cannot control 5 minutes, you will remain a slave to your impulses forever. Most people will close this video feel a quick rush of energy, and go right back to their old, lazy habits. They will choose comfort over greatness, but I want to see if your mind is truly different. Let's test your identity in the comments right now. If you were forced to achieve your 10-year life goal in the next 6 months using this rule, what is the one thing you would have to sacrifice today that you are too afraid to let go of? Prove your strength below and let the weak see what a real Titan looks like. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The clock is ticking and it will not wait for you. Because remember, you are not running out of time. Time is running away from you.